Hello everyone. This is a short video on how to find your missing, lost, and in transit books all in one step. So from the launch page of LS2, select cataloging, and then you'll want to go to advanced, which is up here in our right hand corner. And then we want to select our item status. From the drop-down menu, you will select Missing, In Transit, and then you will scroll down a bit until you find Lost. And you're going to add the parameter to select our location, and it populates Jefferson for me, and then I'll search. It tells me I have these items. Don't panic when you're advancing on, for example, to page 3 and you don't have an item status here. All you need to do is refresh your page and the status will appear. Again, I'll do that again. I'll skip to page 5. I'll have no status here. But if I refresh it, it will tell me the status of that item. All right, I hope this helps. Have a great day.